back at it. Another lumber load, big surprise. Loaded, strapped, ready to go. We're out of here. Well, we're pretty much on site. Here it is, another big construction site. Just don't want to turn down into this and get myself in a pickle. So we're gonna figure out who's on site, because the foreman's not on site. This big giant site. Imagine being up there. It's crazy. The more you know. We're screwed again here getting out. So figure it out. Same thing, different day. Unloading. Still got a part of the truck left. Not too much. Unloaded on the way